Hey, welcome to the place where words come alive. It's Roshan's English world. Let's thrive. Grammar, vocab, fun with flair. Learning English everywhere. Movies, songs, and daily talk. With Roshan's tricks, you'll never walk. Gather Roshan's English world. Come on, let's go. Speak it smart and let it flow. From A to Z, we make it right. Learn with joy and feel so right. Confused by tense or how to speak, Roshan's tips are what you seek.
Hey, hi, hello, dear friends. Welcome to Roshan's English World, your fun place to learn English the smart way. Okay, friends, are you tired of boring grammar books? Today, we are learning English in a super fun and exciting way through movies and web series. Yeah, you are right. You are listening properly. Let's turn your favorite screen time into learning time. Why learn English with movie? Because movies and web series are packed with real life conversations, expressions, and native speaker accents. They help you in improve listening skills, learn natural pronunciation, understand everyday phrases and slang, pick up grammar in context. And guess what? You will never get bored. Yeah, here I will be help you in searching of top 5 movies. Here's some of awesome movies shows to start with. The first one is Friends, which is available on Netflix. In this movie, you can be get easy dialogues and great for everyday English. Learn phrases like how are you doing? And the second movie is The Pursuit of Happiness. This movie contains inspiring movie along with the emotional English. And the third one is the most popular movie, Harry Potter series. Great for improving vocabulary and listening. The Big Bang Theory is the another movie. Through this movie, you can learn scientific and funny conversational English. The next movie name is Stranger Things. This movie contains the American slang along with the natural expressions. Now, friends, start with English subtitles, then switch to no subtitles gradually. And what to focus on while watching, Don't just watch the movie and learn smartly. Focus on whenever you are watching the movie, you need to focus on the pronunciation, sentence structure, idioms and phrases, repetition. For this, you need to watch the same scene twice or thrice. For example, in Friends movie, you hear, I'm gonna grab a coffee. Learn that gonna. Here, the word gonna means going. So, this practice makes you perfect. Here is a quick activity. Watch this short dialogue from a movie. For example, I'm not sure about this. You will do great, just believe in yourself. Now pause. Repeat the lines aloud. You got it, friends? Whenever you're watching the movie, just concentrate all the language parts. Whenever you get an idea about those things, just pause the scene and you repeat the lines aloud. Record yourself saying them, listen and compare. And some pro tips for you, my dear friends. Those are watch short scenes again and again to get the clear idea about the language. And you need the shadow the actors. Do you know what is the meaning of shadow? Shadow is nothing but a repeat like the actors pronouncing in the movie. And make a notebook of cool phrases. Don't translate. Feel the meaning. This is an important thing. And that's it for the day, my dear friends. I hope this idea will be help you to learn English in a funny and a comfortable way. We have so many English videos too. You can be get from our playlist. Follow this tip and don't forget to comment which movie or series will you start with. Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cool English lessons. And remember, the best way to learn English is enjoy the process. And learn English watching Netflix. Fun and easy English with movies. Stop studying, watch and learn English. And don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. We will be meet with another interesting video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.